everyone, welcome to the biggest nostalgia roller coaster you'll go on, especially if you're a 90s kid. So what happened is I went on a trip to Mahabaleshwar very recently, and वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे stalls थे where vendors were selling all of the toys which I had played when I was like 3 years old. Today we are going to explore and play with all these toys again after a good 18 years. I'm going to turn 21 in this month, and this is what I'm doing, and I couldn't be happier because I believe that it's not wrong to be childlike. It's absolutely fine. So let's begin with one of the first toys that I remember. So this particular toy is winding वाला toy. इधर चाबी लगानी होती है and then he'll start beating the drums. I don't think this particular one works. He just beats the drums. But I remember having a चाबी वाले toy. So let's try it. Cute. I also remember having a Doraemon जिसको चाबी डालती थी तो he would be sitting on a cloud and he'd walk across the hall. But yeah, this was one of my first toys in real life too. Second one, I am sure most of you must have owned it regardless of your gender, which I am very proud of our era. So it was this Barbie वाला mobile phone. I remember मेरे टाइम पे छैया छैया भी बजता था एक नंबर पे, but I'm not sure इसमें कौन से songs है. Let me check. तो इसको गले में लगाने के लिए साथ में नाड़ा भी आता था. This is literally a nada. And as a kid, I would actually be able to wear it, but now this is the max. So when we open it, it's like a flip phone. And then every button played a different song. So hey, this is Khaike Pan Banaras wala. This is actually from my time. Dhoom macha rahe. Hey, how come all the numbers are playing Khaike Pan Banaras wala? Something's wrong. But this phone is exactly what I had in my childhood days too, and अभी भी सिर्फ 30 rupees का मिला, so इतना inflation नहीं हुआ है इस पे. Okay, this one. So this one is the water game where we had to strategically press the buttons so that the rings would end up in the spikes. I have played this so much. ये मेरे tiffin box पे भी था. And yeah, this is literally everywhere. Plus, they have put this on a BlackBerry phone. I don't know if they still make phones, but I remember this was the rage when I was in school. Like, all the elite kids would have a BlackBerry phone when I was in 9th grade. I never owned one, but now I own a BlackBerry phone. Oh my god, this game is everything, man. इतना time invest किया ये game में मालूम है. Love it. Oh, there are more toys from my infancy. So this one telephone is similar to the Barbie phone, but मेरे पास ऐसा वाला अलग वाला भी था. So you've got a receiver and then you've got to press a button. I remember this tune. I have played with this a lot as well. Another thing that I owned जिसका भी upgrade हो गया है are these 4 plastic vegetables. I mean not 4 plastic, 4 vegetables which are made up of plastic. पर ये ना cut भी कर सकते हैं. मेरे टाइम पे cut वाले नहीं आते थे, just normal वाले आते थे. So let's try this. I clearly remember owning a tomato. That tomato was my best friend when I was a kid. So let's pick up the tomato only first. So अभी इसके साथ I think एक fake knife भी आता है. ओह, इनके बीच में velcro है. I thought magnetic होगा, so ऐसे ही फट करके separate हो जाएगा, but नहीं, इनके बीच में velcro है. Plus इसके अंदर tomato के seeds भी है. So there's such good attention to detail and there's a छोटा chopping board. So I think इसको chopping board पे रख के completely non-sharp knife के साथ we can try to cut it. It's very nice. It's very much fun. We have a potato also, cabbage also, onion, करेला भी है. मेरे पास करेला भी था. I remember that करेला. Wow. फिर किस के पास ये छोटे miniature animals थे? You've got to let me know because I had so many of them कि एंड में मैंने इसको स्कूल प्रोजेक्ट्स में यूज़ किया था. लाइक वो फॉरेस्ट बनाना होता ना, उसमें चिपका दिए थे. देन आई रिमेंबर ऑन वन ऑफ माई बर्थडेज आई हैड अ जंगल वाला केक. सो वीव गॉट अ पोलर बेयर, वीव गॉट कैमल, वीव गॉट अ ज़ीब्रा, वीव गॉट अ डार्विन. ओह, दिस इज अ काऊ. एंड इसमें भी अपग्रेड क्या हुआ है कि इसके साथ फेंस आती है So you can build a fence and you can have the animals in it, which I don't think is the best idea, but it's a toy. And we've got fake trees with it too. So I remember clearly that the tiger was my favorite. The tiger and the lion, they were my favorite as a child. Next thing, which I'm sure all of us have used this at some point of a time, is this Slinky. Like, this is the most simple toy you can find around, but it can actually keep you entertained for so long because it can do so many things. Like, you can let it just throw it and then you can get it back. You can just play with it in your hand. And आजकल तो YouTube पे giant slinkies बनाने का भी trend चल रहा है, but this is a classic toy. Then I have this train which has changing tracks. तो इसके tracks हम खुद build कर सकते हैं, इसके course का shape भी हम खुद build कर सकते हैं. And then ये चाबी वाली train है, तो फिर ये इसके ऊपर चलती है. I think मेरे पास batteries वाली train भी थी, which used to keep me amused for so long. But nonetheless, this also works because I used to enjoy making a circular track, and the train would keep going round and round on it. Who did not have a mini kitty party set? So this is a small cup, a small tea cup, then we have a saucer and we have mini spoons. So yeah, तभी मेरे पास एक gas stove और एक fridge भी था. So yeah, this I have enjoyed a lot as a kid, and I would have my Barbies over as my friends, and then we would gossip for long. One more thing that I remember is that my dad bought such an aeroplane for me, and it was kind of the same size. So when I saw this, it took me back to a lot of good memories. And जहाँ तक मुझे याद है वो भी ऐसे build कर सकते थे. तो मेरा वाला एरोप्लेन वॉज ऐसा कि इसको पीछे खींचते थे तो चाबी वाइंड हो जाता था अपने आप, एंड देन इट वुड जस्ट कीप गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, एंड इट वॉज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट टॉयज. देन आई हैड दिस पूल टेबल, एंड ये एक टॉय जिसका डाउनग्रेड और डीग्रेड हुआ है बिकॉज मेरे टाइम पे ना पूल टेबल के पैर भी आते थे, तो इट यूज्ड टू स्टे एलिवेटेड फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड एंड वुड लुक मोर रियलिस्टिक, बट इसके स्टैंड बहुत छोटे हैं. नॉनदलेस मेरे को बहुत ही फोर्स करके लेना पड़ा था बिकॉज माई पेरेंट्स वर लाइक व्हाई वुड यू वांट दिस, लाइक एज अ किड दे वर जस्ट like this is not meant for you, but I still of course made them buy it for me. I remember it was most probably in Srinaji if I'm not wrong, and when I saw this I'm like yes, got to get it because I used to enjoy playing pool with myself for a long time. Oh, then I had this laser light, and I think ये मैंने गणपतिपुरे से लिया था. तो मेरे वाले laser light में ना आगे changing discs भी आते थे. So we could change the disc and then we'd have different prints which would come on the wall. However, इसमें ये तो नहीं है, like it does not have different prints, but it is very effective. तो अगर पीछे वाला दबाया तो ये रोज आता है, but अगर आगे वाला दबाया तो normal laser light. And बचपन में I was strictly told not to put this in anyone's eyes, but I still had naughty friends who would point the laser in my eyes. So stay away from such friends who can mess your organs up. I've kept my current top 3 in the last. On number 3 we have this top, and I clearly remember कि मुझे ये बहुत पसंद था क्योंकि it lights up when you make it spin. So yeah, that was a trailer for you क्योंकि इसको ज़मीन पर ही खेलते हैं. बट इसका भी ऐसा है कि इसको जितना वाइंड करता है and then when you release it, so that's how much force with which it will spin. But I love it, yeah. And it used to sing also if I'm not wrong. हाँ, ये भी गाता है. Also Beyblades. Where are all the Beyblades? Do we still get Beyblades? Let me know because मैं Beyblades से बहुत खेलती थी. I was obsessed with them. On number 2 we have this bead set, and this used to be the most artsy toy I owned, and मैं इसके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा खेली हूँ because इसके साथ you can make a lot of designs. पीछे guide तो है ही. So I used to make the house the most and the butterfly the most. Love this. And ये पहले से house बना हुआ ही आया है. And the last one is this bubble making gun. So as far as I remember, मेरे टाइम पे gun तो नहीं थी, but of course bubbles, I used to love them as a kid. And then now the technology is upgraded. महाबलेश्वर में सब जगह the vendors were using this. So I thought कि I want this. I don't care if I use this as a child or not, but I want this. So I found a way to include this in the video so that I could get this. Let's test it. मैंने उधर ये try नहीं किया. I really hope this is working. Oh, it smells very weird. Very weird. अच्छा, इसके ऊपर सील है. अच्छा है कि इसके ऊपर सील है. तो वेंडर ने मुझे बोला था कि सिर्फ इसको इसमें डिप करना है. पता नहीं जितना I thought it would. Hey! This is so cool. One last time. ओके बट जो असली मज़ा बबल्स ब्लो करके बनाने में आता है ना वो इसमें नहीं है. सो nevertheless bubbles were a big part of my childhood. I forgot there's one more toy left and I think this could be the only toy which is exactly like what I owned in my childhood. So this is a camera which has a projector inside it. So इसके अंदर देख के when you keep clicking the button right here, it changes the slides inside and you can either read a story or watch a movie or see pictures of sea animals. I think I owned all three. Oh, this one is the animal one. This is exactly like what I owned in my childhood यार. बहुत सही है. You can actually see the slides from here. I think मेरे टाइम पे वो facility नहीं था. But why does this have a battery? इसमें लाइट भी होता है क्या? क्या? हाँ, बट इसके बैटरीज आर ऑलमोस्ट डेड विच इज़ वाई ये चल नहीं रहा. इधर लाइट भी हो रहा है. ओह, इट्स क्यूट. So I'm so glad that I could find these toys and make this video because it's a lot of fun to see what kind of a childhood other people have grown up from too. And if you were a 90s kid and if you remember any of these toys from your childhood, then let me know down below which one was your favorite. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then that makes me very, very happy and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.